Students, this is Mr. George Sapo and welcome to today's session. I would like to take you through English language due to the absence of your English tutor. In the previous lesson, Madam taught you grammatical rhymes, and I would like us to revise ourselves shortly on what Madam taught. Lesson grammatical ranks was being discussed as the size of the grammatical unit, whereby the hierarchical ordering or the arrangement of grammatical units is referred to as the what? The rank scale. The rank scale consists of the top-down view and the bottom-up view, where the top-down view consists of sentence, clause, phrase, word, and what? Morpheme. Bottom-up view is from the lowest to the highest, and also be called constitute of relationship. Today's lesson. Before we start the lesson, indicators must be able to know or discuss what is a word and the types of word formation in English language. So, we would like to talk of the definition and examples of a word. A word is a single, distinct, meaningful element of speech or writing used with others to form a sentence, usually the easiest unit to identify written language. For example, a table, a word consisting of one morpheme. Beautiful, a word consisting of two morphemes. In the following sentence, there are 8 and 5 words, but there are more morphemes. Michael has added 3 oranges to the fruits. And in the sentence there, all the sentence consists of 11 morphemes. From the previous lesson, it was being discussed as all morphemes are not word, but all words are morphemes. According to Crystal in 1997, there are 4 normal processes of word formation in English language. These 4 normal processes are prefixation, suffixation, conversion, and compound. First of all, I would like to talk of prefixation. Prefixation is whereby an affix is placed before the base of a word. Example is dis plus believe, which gives disbelieve. And another example also gives im plus proper, which also is equal to improper. Furthermore, we would like to talk of the suffixation. Suffixation is whereby an affix is being placed before the base of the word. Example is good plus ness, which is equal to goodness, and government plus ment, that gives government. Moreover, I would like to talk of conversion. Conversion is also a type of word formation whereby the class of a word changes without any change in form. Example is Henry is the man of the house, whereby the man in the sentence is acting as the noun in the sentence. Lastly, we will talk of compounding. Compounding is when 2 base forms are put together to become one word. This is the case whereby 2 words has been put together to form one word. For example is arm plus chair, which is armchair. And another example is also black plus board, which gives blackboard. Apart from the 4 normal processes of word formation in English, there are also another 4 that helps in making new words. These include acronyms, blends, clipping, and reduplication. When we talk of clipping, clippings are informal shortening of words, often to a single syllable. For example, mathematics is being pronounced as math. With the help of clipping, we have been able to pronounce mathematics as math. Another example is influenza, which is also pronounced as what? Flu. Furthermore, I would like to talk on acronyms. Acronyms words are formed by together the initial letters of words which make up the name. Like for example is UTAG, which forms University Teachers Association of what? Ghana. We move on to blends, where 2 words merge into each other to form one word. It refers to the joining of the beginning of one word and end of another to make a new word with a meaning. Example is branch from breakfast and what? Lunch. Reduplication is also a formation that helps in making a new meaning to a word, and it functions as a type of compound in which both elements are the same or slightly different. Example is hanky, that's what? Punky. And wishy, that's what? Washy. By concluding today's lesson, there is an assignment on the board. Make sure you copy it before you leave. I will collect it the next time we meet for English. Thank you.